What's up, guys? Today I took out probably my most capable crawler in my collection at the moment, and also the best value for the price point. So the terrain was not great on this day. We had lots of rain the days before, so wet rocks and stuff, but this is the Redcat Ascent Fusion's first run. Aside from some little body rub here and there, as you guys heard, I honestly think this is like the perfect RTR at the moment. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite rig from Redcat is. This is my only Redcat that I have at the moment, but I can guarantee you after running this one, there will be more in the near future. I am trying to make everybody happy. So you have some truck audio and then you have some music. I cut the clips that needed music just because it was a really windy day, so the wind noise was incredibly irritating. And also there were clips where people were talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of the video with actually hearing the truck run, and yeah, I had to throw in music at the end. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I really appreciate it. Without you guys, this channel would not exist, so thank you so much. If you feel compelled to, please hit that subscribe button to stick around for future uploads, and also give this video a thumbs up because this truck deserves it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!